Why did my WhatsApp profile picture disappear?
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing question. Why did my WhatsApp profile picture disappear? It can be quite puzzling when you notice that your profile picture has vanished. But worry not, there are several reasons this could happen, and we'll tackle them one by one.
Did you unintentionally remove your profile picture?
First things first, let's rule out the possibility that you might have accidentally removed your profile picture. You might have tapped on your profile picture and then hit the Remove option unintentionally. It happens to the best of us. So, double-check to make sure this isn't the case.
Have you recently updated WhatsApp?
Next, consider if you've recently updated your WhatsApp application. Sometimes, after an app update, some settings might get reset due to glitches or bugs. This could include your profile picture. If this is the case, simply uploading your profile picture again should fix the issue.
Is there a problem with your phone's gallery?
Your profile picture might disappear if the original photo has been moved, deleted, or hidden in your phone's gallery. WhatsApp needs to maintain a connection with the original image file. If it's unable to access this file, it can't display your profile picture. To solve this, you could try setting the picture again or use a different image.
Is it a privacy setting issue?
WhatsApp's privacy settings allow you to control who can see your profile picture. If you've set this to Nobody, your profile picture will appear as if it has disappeared to others. You need to check your privacy settings and adjust them accordingly if this is the issue.
Are you facing connection problems?
Last but not least, a weak or inconsistent internet connection could also be the culprit. If WhatsApp is unable to connect to the internet properly, it might fail to load your profile picture. Try checking if you have stable internet connectivity. That's it, folks. We hope this video has provided some clarity on why your WhatsApp profile picture might have disappeared and how you can fix it. Remember, sometimes it's just a simple glitch that can be easily rectified. Stay patient, stay curious, and keep exploring.